Okay, it'd be handy sometimes if we're able to check our working and see if we're on the right track. So just say I was asked to expand this particular expression here, and in my working out I did, let's say negative 3x, because I'm multiplying that by that, and I just wrote down negative and or minus rather, and 3 times 9 is 27. So I thought this was the next line, or that this is equivalent to that. On my calculator I've got a function called verify, and that is this function here. So what you do with verify is you type in your function, and this is mine, and then it'll accept me to type in the next line of my working out, minus 3x take 27. And if I hit execute, that'll obviously say, oh, that's not equivalent. They're saying that this is not the same as this. So what I can do is I go back and check what I've done. And I can see my mistake. It's a negative times a negative is a positive. So if I rewrite this now as positive 27, I get my smiley face saying that that line there is equal to that line there. So a really handy way of checking your answers. Sometimes it might be a case of a question. So just say you came up with an answer of 9 take 3x, and you couldn't see, and this was a multi-choice question, and you were looking for your multi-choice answer that matches 9 take away 3x. And there was an A response of negative 3 plus 9x. There was a B response of negative 3x take 9, and there was a C response of negative 3x plus 9. Okay, so what you could possibly do with this is test out your answer against the ones that are down below. So 9 take 3x is your suggestion of an answer, and you can actually plug in the answers down below just to see which one matches yours. So if I typed in negative 3 plus 9x, I'd be hoping that it will tell me it's not equivalent. Then I could type in the second one, negative 3x take 9. Again, not equivalent, so we're hoping that our last one is our one, negative 3x plus 9, and that's equivalent. So that's saying that in my working out, I worked it out so that this was the answer, but it wasn't or didn't directly match any of these ones here. But what I do know certainly is C is equivalent to that over there, and so it allows me just to check the answers in a multi-choice situation and make sure that mine does in fact match with one of the other ones.